Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about KDE Connect. Now this is an app that you can install on your Android phone or KDE PC or literally anything really. It allows you to share clipboards, files and a couple other cool features. Now to get started you're going to want to install KDE Connect. To do this on the phone you will use go to Play Store, this is also available on iOS, and simply search for it. Hit install. And on my PC here I'm running Arch. I already have it installed, I'll leave the command in the description, and I can just go into Internet and KDE Connect. Now as you can see it's already found a couple of devices that are on my network, but I want to connect to my phone, so let's just hit open, and as you can see it's somehow already picked up the device. So all I have to do is click it and pair, click accept, and it really is that easy. Now it's paired. Now KDE Connect has a couple of main features. On phone you have files, presentation mode which is quite easy with Google Slides, multimedia control which works surprisingly well, remote input which is literally just a mouse, you have to approve it first, and you can simply control your PC with the phone as if it was a mouse, and even has a keyboard so we can type things if we go in like a browser or whatever. And this works surprisingly well. It has shockingly low latency and works really quite well. Now next thing we're going to check out is the send clipboard feature. To use this all we have to do is find some text. And once it's on our clipboard we can simply go to send clipboard. And if we go on our KDE PC we should have it in our clipboard. As we can see it's right here. Now this also works really well, it's quite very fast and seems to have no limit I can find for the amount of text you can send through it, and hasn't had any issues. You can also send clipboard from the PC, send clipboard, and if we open up the phone's clipboard we should see, as we can see in here, it has the text that we sent from our PC. Now we can also share files through this, so if we find ourselves a file, we should be able to go to share, send to device, send it, and the PC automatically downloads it and just throws it straight to downloads. And this is really fast, it will run locally over your Wi-Fi and really at the full speed of your network connection. Now that we're on a phone with a SIM card in it, we can once again go to KDE Connect and pair. Hit pair, and we can try out the remote SMS feature, which is pretty cool. Now we can simply just send messages from our PC, and this will send it over SMS to whatever device you sent it to. As you can see it's come up on my phone. This also works super well, and I'm surprised that Android even lets you do this. KDE Connect is a really well made app. Now let's have a look at the presentation remote. It has two main features, that and the pointer, which doesn't really work very well for some reason. And that's just next backslide and next slide. Hello everyone, I hope you're excited for the presentation. Hello, welcome to my presentation about why Intel Optane was great. I hope everyone's excited. Now, Optane is very interesting technology for many reasons. First off is it's very fast. There's a lot of information here, don't bother reading it. Now, Intel Optane was very good for servers and it's also good for flashy OSs. Here's a video we made on it. Bit quiet, isn't it?
Now, on the last video, I saw
And that's enough of that. Back to the presentation. Overall, I'm really impressed with KDE Connect. Whoever made it did an extremely good job. It has worked super reliably, especially the clipboard sharing works reliably every single time. I copy something on the PC, it's just on the phone. Simple as that. KDE Connect is also great for sharing larger files. It's never been this easy to share massive files between your PC, tablet, phone, laptop, anything really. Everything just seems to connect with KDE Connect. It even works great on Windows and non-KDE based OS. I'm going to make a part 2 of this video where I'm going to be checking out on Windows and some other more niche devices. So, bye.